Welcome to JLM University. My name is Alex, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to replace the base circuit board on your Power Pole Move ZR. For a list of recommended tools, please see the description below. And as always, the first step before doing any repairs on your Power Pole Move is to disconnect the power. The first step is to use your 3/16 Allen key to remove the two socket head screws that are holding the water shield to your base circuit board. Now that you have the screws removed, lift up on the water shield to remove the bumpers. Now that we have the bumpers removed, push up on the coil cable and pull the water shield free. Now with the water shield pulled free, use your number 2 Phillips screwdriver to remove the 4 screws holding the terminals to the base circuit board. Now use your 7/64 Allen key to remove the 3 socket head screws that hold the power wire retainer. Now pull the main power wire free from the base circuit board. Now remove the base circuit board from underneath the coil cable. Now apply dielectric grease around the top of each terminal. It is important to completely cover the area around the terminals. Now it is time to install your new base circuit board by lining up the 3 tabs to the holes in the base of the Power Pole Move. Now with your new base circuit board in position, align your power wires and coil cable to the terminals on the circuit board. Now with your main power wire and coil cable seated, tighten your 4 Phillips screws. Remember to use your torque wrench and to tighten down to the listed torque specs that can be found in the instructions. Take the excess dielectric grease and completely cover the screws. Now it is time to reinstall our water shield. Completely fill the cavities with dielectric grease on the back side of the water shield. Now lift up on the coil cable and slide the water shield into position, ensuring that the antenna is routed out the side and not pinched underneath. Now reinstall the bumpers underneath the water shield. Now the final step is to reinstall our power wire retainer by tightening the 3 socket head screws. Now that is how you change out the base circuit board on your Power Pole Move ZR. Thank you for watching.